Agile diagrammatic exercises. Let us do some of these diagrammatic exercises. So first, diagrammatic exercise. Here I have a product backlog in a figure, and in this figure we have a number of backlog items. Each of these blue colored rectangular boxes or logs represent a product backlog item. There are a number of activities being performed on this product backlog, such as insertion of an item, which is highlighted with this yellow colored rectangular log. Refine this item to smaller ones, where I am taking this item and breaking it to multiple items. Estimate an item. So this item has been particularly estimated to 3 story points, and while estimating we are using a number of yellow color cards highlighted with 0, 1 by 2, 1, 2, numbers like that. Then you have releases. From here to here we have release 1, from here to here we have release 2, then you have release 3, and so on. There is also some reprioritization of work items happening. For example, these 2 items are getting reprioritized. Next figure is with respect to the iteration backlog, where you have taken the high priority items from the product backlog and have pulled into the iteration backlog. And these square boxes are the broken down tasks. That is, each product backlog item has been broken down to individual tasks. Now related to it, I have 5 questions in total, from question 1 till question 5. And on the right I have 5 rectangular boxes. So these are the 5 rectangular boxes. You have to read the question and fill the rectangular boxes with the answers. Bring out your pen and paper or pencil, just note down the answers. Once you are done, you can come back to see the solution. You can pause here. Alright, I believe you have tried. Let us see the answer. So first question, let us go through. If multiple releases are planned, release 1, release 2, release 3, these are many releases, what this will be called as, or what practice this is? This is release planning, and that will be our answer. So answer 1 is release planning. Then if a backlog item is inserted, what practice? So we are inserting a backlog item here. This practice, or refining a backlog item, or estimating a backlog item, or reprioritizing the items, all these practices will be called as backlog refinement. That is answer number 2. Then question number 3. If an item is estimated with cards shown in yellow ones, such as 0, 1 by 2, 1, 2 numbers, what game is getting played? So when you take cards with noted numbers 0, infinity, or 1 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, you are using the Fibonacci series, and this particular game is called as planning poker game, and the answer will be planning poker. Then question number 4. If the backlogged items are taken and small tasks are created, what practice? So that is, we have taken the backlog items from here and we are breaking down the backlog items into the smaller items. So this practice is, we are creating an iteration plan, and that is happening in iteration planning event or iteration planning event practice. So that is the answer. Answer will be iteration planning. Then question number 5. If tasks are being taken by teams and self-assigned, that is, the team members are self-assigning the task, then what characteristics of the team is being displayed here? The characteristics of the team will be self-organization. So that is self-organizing. The team is self-organizing. We already know in Agile the team is self-organizing and cross-functional. The team has all the skills needed to get the job done or provide an increment, and they themselves assign the tasks. The manager or the Agile project manager or the Scrum master or the Flow master, they do not assign the tasks to the team members. So these are the 5 questions, and the corresponding answers are noted here. Did it match with your answers? I believe it would have if you have gone through the videos of ACP live relations. If the answers are not matching, then go back to the respective relations. For example, I have explained release planning in the relation of adaptive planning. Then there is self-organization, self-contained team, self-directed team, cross-functional team. These I have explained in the relation of team performance. Or iteration planning. Iteration planning has been explained in adaptive planning again. So go through the respective relations if the answers are not matching.